Hey, welcome to Leftovers Are for Quitters. My name is Jake Dobie, and I'm going to walk you through some cooking tonight. And we are in my apartment, and we are going to work on some fried chicken today and some cilantro lime rice. And on Leftovers Are for Quitters, we're going to make food that's so good you will not want to have any leftovers because you'll just eat it all. Today on the show, my special guest is going to be my 6-year-old daughter, Ellie. Come on in, Ellie.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Great. Are you excited to make fried chicken for dinner?
Yeah.
All
I
right.
really like fried chicken.
All right. I like to make some good food with really simple things that you can buy at the store. Show you how I can do it in my very primitive apartment kitchen. Okay, folks, following the directions on the box, you put 1/3 of a cup of the mix into the bowl. Ellie, can you hand me that half cup of milk, please?
Water.
I'm sorry, yes, water. I also am going to need a small whisk or a fork or something like that.
Okay, I'll get you a whip. Can I stir it down?
Sure you can. Stir it up.
So we're going to stir
Now,
the
we
back.
also, following the directions on the box, sorry, Ellie.
We're going to stir it up with some water and that mixture on the box.
Alright. So I marinated this chicken earlier, so we're going to have, it's going to be fried, but it's also going to be very juicy, actually, on the inside, we'll say that. So, man. I have another cup of the flour, as I started to say. I have a cup of the flour in this bag here. We're going to take the chicken, we're going to put it into this, we're going to put it into this, and then we're going to set it out. We're actually going to set it onto this cooling rack right here so that we don't get the breading stuck all over stuff. Okay. I hope this works. Alright. Are your hands clean?
Yes, that's
okay. Now, take one piece of chicken out of there. Let the marinade drain off of it, okay? So it's not too wet. And then, there you go. Throw it in there. Get it nice and coated.
Flip it around a little bit.
Yep. One hand. Just one hand.
Then we're going to shake the back. Do you have a towel there? Good thing we got this handy blue towel.
Okay, so then we're completely coat the chicken with
Our
the
towel.
dry fried chicken mix.
Then we're going to do the same route over and over. Same thing over.
Oh, be careful.
Your hands are so powdery. Drip. Put it into the bag. Shake the baggie.
You really got to make sure that the chicken doesn't fold over and you get any wet spots on there. That'll cause your batter to fall all over the place.
Yeah.
Now, I have a little bit more of the dry left over. I could mix it together.
There's 4 of them.
Alright. There's what? 4 of them?
Yeah.
Awesome. Just enough.
So we're going to do this. Make sure to completely soak it and then let it drip. Drip for a second. Pop it into the bag.
Man, that chicken breast is so thin it almost has one side.
Yeah.
Here, get the other chicken out of there for me and put it into that mixture.
Okay.
Not quite buttermilk, but we're going to try it.
Put in your mixture. Keep doing it over. And if you have 3, you can do it. You can still do it.
Hold on.
This one's thick.
Just use it. Put it back in there. try to keep one hand dry and one hand wet.
Yeah.
Thankfully, right now I have 4 hands, so that helps.
So I can get my 2
Okay,
hands.
get one more breast. No. Excited to make fried chicken for dinner?
Yeah.
Yes.
Really excited.
Really excited. Awesome. I'm really excited to see how all this stuff turns out.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, here we are. We're back. We are almost ready to go. Well, we've actually started. This is my rice. This is the Zatarain's cilantro lime rice. Followed the directions on the box so far. That's 2 1/4 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of real butter, unsalted butter, and you got to bring it to a boil. So we're fired up on high. Over here we got we just got a can of corn. We're gonna eat with it. Corn kind of goes with this little cilantro lime Mexican theme. Here's our pan. Oil's warming up. The oil is about 1/4 inch deep. Careful that it is warming up and getting hot. Okay, now that our oil is hot, we're going to very carefully lay these fried chicken breasts down in the oil. I'm putting the thickest breast in first because they take the longest to cook.
Right.
Oop, I'm not going to be able to get these all in the pan at once. They're kind of large. Move them around with your tongs here. All right. Our rice is boiling over here, so it tells me to simmer. I'm going to turn this down to about 1 or a 2. Now look at this. Oh boy, that's starting to look nice.
Yum, yum. We're going to have such good dinner.
Oh boy.
I wish you guys could smell this through the camera.
Ooh, doggy. You're going to be a good one tonight.
Woo! Really good, really nice.
Here, Ellie, point the camera over here for me. I got myself a cookie sheet with a piece of foil and another rack on there. I'm going to put the chicken on there when it's finished, almost finished, and finish in the oven. Oh yeah, this is
Time to stand back on the chair. Ooh, those are looking good, Dad.
Thank you. I'm going to try to squeeze this last one in here. Ooh.
Kids, remember, try this at home only with a parent with you.
Yes, kids. Kids should never try this by themselves.
Need
Hot
a parent
oil.
with you. Hot oil, hot pan, and try not to get burnt. Or your parents try not to get burnt.
The oven is set to 400 degrees, which is a good, even temperature to cook at so that we don't overcook stuff. Ooh, doggy. Oh, we're good. This is looking real nice.
Real good.
See that? Ooh, boy, that smells good too.
I wish you guys could smell this. This smells amazing.
Okay, so when this last one is finished, we're going to throw this tray in the oven.
Right.
And we're going to set a timer here for, the rice says 25 minutes. I'm going to set for 20, no, not 20 minutes, 2 minutes.
Yeah, that chicken is looking good. You might want to flip it.
Alright, we got 17 minutes for the rice to simmer. We're going to take this out of here. Alright, we're going to turn the oil off because that's very hot. Be very careful.
We're going to flap them in the oven real quick.
Chicken's in the oven. Now it's time to clean up your mess that you made while you're going along, so when you're finished, you ain't got nothing to do.
And here's our finished product. Beautiful golden brown fried chicken. Can't wait. So Ellie, now that dinner's over, what was the final result? What did you think?
I'm gonna give it an 8-star because I wasn't really a fan of the rice.
You weren't a fan of the rice?
The rice wasn't that good.
You didn't like the cilantro?
No.
No. But how was the chicken?
It was amazing. You did a really good job.
All right.
I like it. Good job. Leave a like and subscribe to my dad's channel. And feel free to comment what he should make next. Thank you. Bye.
That's right. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Leftovers are for quitters. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all that stuff. Thanks a lot.